Sanibona emakhaya, igama lami nguScelo Ngubane. I'm an inspirational speaker. Today we're going to speak about a very important topic, a topic of leadership. I've seen and observed, I think you have also seen emakasi in different societies, that today we have so much scarcity of leaders. There's leadership vacuum in our areas or in our society. So today I want to speak about the importance of leadership in our society so that we can transform and move from being victims to victory. The first thing that we must do for us to be able to have effective leadership, number one, a leader must have a vision. Without vision, people perish. If we don't know where we are going, any route will take us there. So it's very important to know as a society, as a community, where are we going? Are we going to transformation? Are we going for a change? Can we quantify the transformation that we want to see in our society? Number two, the vision must be bigger than every one of us. The vision must be bigger than all of us, including a leader. When the vision is bigger than you, even your words, your respect, you become exemplary to even things that people have to do in the organization. Actions speak louder than words. A leader does not point at the direction, but moves to the direction. When people are lost and not found, the leader should be able to be a compass that directs the people. Number three, the vision must be paid with full price. Unfortunately, when you start to have a vision, there will be a lot of distractions. There will be a lot of things that requires your time. A lot of things that want you to focus on them. Now, those distractions, they are not coming there for any other purpose but to take you off the vision. The vision must create focus. You must be blinded to know what is urgent, what is important, what is critical. There are times where things that you need to say, I cannot be able to respond to this now because I have a vision that I need to focus on. Some of the things that you're going to sacrifice are yourselves. You need to sacrifice yourself as a leader. Be willing to say, I cannot be able to do this for myself because I have a vision. The vision needs you to pay the price in full. What do I mean by that? A leader must be willing to walk the journey. Be willing to be the first one in the office and be willing to be the last one in the office. That's the price I'm talking about. The leader must simplify the vision. The vision must be so simple. You need to be able to explain the vision to a 5-year-old and the 5-year-old understand you. If you can't explain it to a 5-year-old, I'm told it means you do not understand it yourself. Simplify the vision. One of the important things about today is that leaders today must be able to influence the vision, that it must be simplified. The vision must be simplified in a sense that everybody should be able to identify that this is the vision we are going to. As we transform this nation, as we transform our society, we need to be able to gather everybody to second the vision. When everyone knows and is sold out to the vision, everybody will play their role. Even if it's a small role, they will play their role. Our society are dirty today because we lack leaders. Dumping areas everywhere because we lack leaders. Our teenagers are getting pregnant every day because we lack leaders. Our young people are getting into nyaupe, drugs and substance abuse because we lack leaders. Our young people today are every day in taverns because we lack leaders. It's time for us to sacrifice ourselves in our society and say, I want to play my role. I want to make sure that I transform my community. I transform my society. We need role models in different societies. If you come from an area, they need to know that there's a leader in that area who's transforming them, who's having a vision that accommodates everybody in a society. The vision must unify us. We need to unify behind the vision. Our communities lack leaders. And today I want to encourage those who have a calling of leadership to say, start doing an action. You can only evaluate action. You can't evaluate ideas, and they're going to cost you. What is important is you acting on the vision. May God bless you. I hope you've enjoyed today's talk. Next week, we're going to focus on principles of leadership. I hope and believe that you are inspired to take a lead. It's not easy, but the price is so simple. Pay the price and you'll see people following you. May God bless you. Thank you so much.